Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore whether Clickworker is a legitimate and safe platform for earning money. So, let's get started. Microtasking is widely recognized as one of the most accessible and flexible ways to earn money online. Its appeal lies in its simplicity. It requires no prior experience, can be done from anywhere, and allows you to set your own schedule. However, it's essential to set realistic expectations. Microtasking isn't a route to making thousands of dollars per week. The tasks are typically uncomplicated, and the pay reflects this simplicity. One of the leading platforms for microtasking is Clickworker, which specializes in supporting AI system development. AI tools like ChatGPT and image generators require vast amounts of training data, and companies often outsource smaller tasks to aid this process. Clickworker acts as an intermediary, connecting businesses with individuals to complete these tasks. The types of tasks available on Clickworker are diverse and straightforward. You might be asked to draw boxes around objects in images, such as cars or trees, take specific types of photographs, or make selections from a list of options. For example, you could earn money by answering questions about yoga, photographing items in your home, or engaging in similar simple activities. Training is provided for all tasks to ensure you can complete them effectively. Getting started is easy. Visit the Clickworker website and select the option labeled Earn Money as a Clickworker. This will direct you to a page containing all the relevant details. If you're unsure, you can explore online reviews for additional insights into the platform. The sign-up process is straightforward. Provide some basic personal information, register your account, and confirm it through the Clickworker app. The app, available for both Android and iOS on Google Play and the App Store, is highly rated and has been downloaded by thousands of users. It serves as your hub for accessing tasks, which include writing, translating, researching, data processing, and marking objects in images or videos. One of Clickworker's key advantages is its accessibility. You don't need high-end devices. A standard web browser is sufficient to perform most tasks. Some jobs can even be completed offline, making it an excellent option for those with limited connectivity. However, the app is essential for syncing your account and managing your workflow across devices. In summary, microtasking through Clickworker offers a convenient way to earn extra income. While it may not replace a full-time job, its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for anyone looking to supplement their earnings in their spare time. And that's all about this video. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I wouldn't recommend Clickworker. I found an amazing side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. It pays a lot more than Clickworker and can generate a full-time income for you within a year or two if you use proven strategies. Click the link in the description to receive a free ebook with more information.